In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on virtual reality in Google Chrome now. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now type chrome://flags into the address bar. The full address should look like chrome://flags. After typing it in, press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will take you to the experiments page. Once you are on the Chrome flags page, look for the search box near the top of the page. Click into that search box and type WebXR. After searching for WebXR, look for the option called WebXR Device API. If you see it listed, check the drop-down menu beside it. The setting may already be set to default, enabled, or disabled. To turn virtual reality support on, set the WebXR Device API to enabled. Take a moment to make sure the correct option has been changed. Chrome flags can contain several similarly named settings, so it is helpful to confirm that you are adjusting WebXR Device API specifically. If the setting is already enabled, then you do not need to change anything. That means Chrome is already set up to support WebXR where available. After enabling the WebXR Device API, Chrome will usually show a relaunch button. Once Chrome opens again, the WebXR setting will be applied. At that point, Chrome is ready to support compatible virtual reality experiences through websites that use WebXR. Keep in mind that this setting only enables the browser feature. You will still need a supported VR device, compatible hardware, and a website or web app that is designed to use WebXR. And that is all there is to it.